You're not going to be able to get up. I have to pull you out. All I can see is your head. Here, let me bear you up. Here, I'll bear you. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have to adjust my camera right now. I am your host, Paul BGMZ. We are here at the Balloon Museum. My first time ever being here. I don't know how it's gonna look on the inside, but I'm very excited to get in. So let's go in right now. I have to put these on when you get in. I'm trying to find the opening here. Hopefully I'm putting it on right. It wasn't easy, but finally got these on. I can't tell if I'm... Oh wait. I thought that I was gonna touch a wall here. Oh, that's the wall. I can't. There's so much of an illusion. There's me. I feel dizzy. All of a sudden, I feel dizzy. Do you feel like you're moving?
Yes.
I feel like the floor is moving, being in here.
We're off the
Yeah, I feel better now. They look like donuts. Now I feel like having a donut. That's how it looks like in the inside. It almost feels like I'm in the back rooms too. Flying maze?
Yeah, it's a 32 by 32 foot sculpture.
Can you go underneath here? Oh, cool. Looks like I can go anywhere I want. Hey, I see you.
Of course I can.
I'll probably have to go around. I can go that way still. I have to really duck. That's a huge balloon. That was an awesome maze. You can go anywhere you want. That's how the maze looked like. Look at the balloons on top of here. Whoa. That feels weird. I feel like I'm in water. We're just sitting in a platform. I am tempted to jump in. Not too deep in here. Thought it was deep. Look. I feel like I'm getting sucked into it. It's hard to get up, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're not going to be able to get up. I have to pull you out. Huh? Oh, you're sitting or you have to pee? All I can see is your head. Here, let me bear you up. Here, I'll bear you. Wait, almost there. Okay, now you're completely buried. Oh, oh! He's coming out.
Ladies and gentlemen, the performance is about to begin.
Don't lose your phone.
10 seconds to the performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, please do not touch the headphones. Don't come down. Do not touch the headphones and enjoy the show.
Whoa. Wow. I'm just sitting here.
Ladies and gentlemen, the performance is over.
Grab my hand. Wait, we have an itch. Okay, now grab my hand. Okay, I'll grab your phone first. We're about to enter the heart of the quiet storm. I am excited to see what it's gonna be. Ooh, bubbles. It smells like detergent in here. I can feel it hitting my eye. Oh, look. It's soapy in here too. Catch the bubbles. Oh, I caught a bubble that had a fog in it. I don't know if you guys can see the floor, but look how soapy it is. Some of the bubbles had smoke in it. See? Look at the floor now. I think that's the reason why we have these on.
You can take them off now.
You gonna take them off?
Yeah.
Okay. If I can see the other one. That's after that. Next is the Jinjos. They look like huge pills. Oh, you followed them too.
I want you to be mine all alone for all time. I want you to be mine all alone for all time. I want you to be mine all alone for all time. I want you to be mine all alone for all time.
It looked like Beetlejuice. You can't beat my ball. You just can't beat it because I have my own. This is kind of cool though. Try to keep it steady though. Wait, hold on. Yeah, this is how I have to keep it steady. I'm gonna pass it to you. I'm gonna keep passing it to you. Imagine having this at home. we can sit on it?
I hope so.
You're sinking. I want to sit on it too.
Woo!
Can't jump on it, right? Okay. Oh, they're going down too. Can you push it back up? No. Oh, shoot. That's so bright. It goes down by itself. Butterfly. Oh, that's so cool. And they give you sleeping bags. You can barely see the people in there. Can I touch this stuff? You can see right through it. Oh, that looks really fun.
Yeah, there's stuff out there too.
I didn't know that. Look. All because of the black stuff on those things. Oh, it doesn't have any? I can hear it, but... Ooh. One of them's gonna pop. Oh, there's just keep coming. I felt air coming out. That's what's just blowing around. There it goes. I was trying to reach you! Trying to find you everywhere! All these balloons! They're all over! We gotta get out! Is that air coming up? Oh, it's blowing your hair up too.
There's two.
Oh, that's why, because it's like static electricity. Alright guys, this is finally the end of it. I want to give a birthday shout out to my friend in Houston, Texas. Her name is Maria Espinoza. Happy birthday to her. She's turning 81 this coming Tuesday. By the time this video comes out, she's already 81 years old. But happy birthday. But I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys watched the whole thing. This is a Valentine's Day gift. Thank you so much. from her. Recommend anybody to come out here. Take care, guys. I'm gonna go eat something. Bye-bye.